Then here is the post I have already created, so you can check out there. I just opening the post, and once done, here is the post. You can check the settings, and here is your categories. You can check cultural fuels as a category. Save it. Also can add tags, those are important, or for a specific identification of the particular post that the tag represent, or you can put a featured image, and just like I am using that cricket, CRICKET, cricket. So here is the similar type of uh, image. Also here you can search for image from Unsplash, like cricket, CRICKET, cricket. And here is the need to be add to the page. You can choose a related post here also, excerpt also, alt text for the image. You just put down this one, India versus England thrilling semi-final, and as a text, feature this post also, related post, you can add them, or just save and after that publish. So you can check that the category comes under the cultural fuels. You can scroll it right side, so you can check the categories. Hope it will helpful to you, both of you, to understand.